First announced in 1977, with 0 to 60 achievable in under 5 seconds, the V8 Vantage quickly established itself as Britain's first front-engine supercar. With performance outpacing Ferrari's mighty Daytona, the Vantage-powered V8 produced circa 400 horsepower, and fitted with 5-speed manual transmission, catapulted the Vantage to a top speed of 170 miles an hour. This early production factory Vantage, one of just 16 bolt-on flip-tail examples, retains its original Vantage aerodynamic features, employed before the introduction of the revised body shape known as Oscar India, common to both the standard V8 and the Vantage. Clearly identifiable as a Vantage, the flip-tail's wind tunnel-developed aerodynamic devices, as fitted, dramatically improved the stability and aerodynamic performance of the original William Townes design, visually differentiating the Vantage from the standard production V8. This actual car, built in 1977 and finished in Jubilee Silver with black hides, was owned for a period by the pioneering Fast Lane magazine of the 1980s and run by its then editor, the former British touring car ace and historic racer Tony Dron. Sympathetically restored over the years, this historically interesting early V8 Vantage has been maintained continuously by recognised and renowned specialists. Complete with a comprehensive history file containing multiple maintenance invoices dating from new to the present day, the file includes original issues of Fast Lane and various magazine articles relating to this rapid car. Factory fitted with a large bore induction and exhaust system, this quick, well-maintained and rare car is in excellent mechanical condition, retaining its original matching numbers and unique features of this very rare model. Available now for viewing at our Hertfordshire showroom, the car comes complete with preparation, service and warranty.